stand by for a message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Alaska has issued Iceberg Warning number 1 for the following areas. North Pacific near Alaska along Alaska coastline, including Bering Sea and Gulf of Alaska, until 7:04 a.m. Alaskan Standard Time. At 10:04 a.m. Alaskan Standard Time, National Weather Service and marine officials located dangerous ice formations in the Gulf of Alaska. These ice formations are considerably favorable for the formation of icebergs. These conditions make it unsafe for marine travel. Remain indoors and do not attempt to travel into these waters until further notice, even if you are experienced. To repeat, dangerous ice formations are causing considerable conditions for icebergs. Remain indoors and do not attempt marine travel. A iceberg warning remains in effect until 7:04 a.m.